Hello and welcome to WitWizard. This video will act as a guide to help you understand your new writing assistant. First thing we need to do is play with our settings. We have 4 elements our users can manipulate within WitWizard. The character selector or the personality selector is where you can select one or try a combination of many character models. You can even add your own. Enter your favorite music artist, celebrity, or maybe a lifelong friend of yours. The humor level, how serious or funny something should come out. The word count. And finally, the creativity level, how off the rails or on topic your response should be. For more in-depth descriptions of these settings, visit the Help menu. Once everything is set up, type in your question and watch WitWizard do its magic. Type a question, a complex list of instructions, or maybe a request, such as write me a song. You also have the ability to delete your chat history. WitWizard will never collect or sell your chats. Finally, you can log out with the logout button located in the account page. Hope to see your amazing writing soon.